Look at this one. Look at this. This bird poo right here. Go away, go away. Cannot poo, you know? I think birds have to be educated to go for their normal needs on a certain place. Am I right? No, this one. What are you gonna do here? No, you go away. You go away better. I think they are living somewhere here. Look at those. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a cruel person, but I don't like birds to poo right here. This is the poo. That's not nice. What if I would sit here? Somebody has to educate birds. Do you agree with me?